The founder is always responsible for driving clarity on what you're building and why, and for talking about what is the standard culturally and objectively of the people you want to bring in the company. Like, I don't think that ever changes. I think what changes is that more and more your job becomes creating an organization and finding people that can build that and that will do it better than yours, and also making sure that those people feel like they are part of that mission. They're not like building it for somebody else. Yeah. And in really practical ways, that means that I have to communicate a lot more. It means that I had to start to learn how to manage people. I'd never managed anyone before, as anyone who I've managed can attest. And those parts have changed quite a bit. I don't know, talking to lots of people, that's changed. When we were really small, when we would get press inquiries, I was a pretty introverted person, so I just wouldn't reply, or I'd be like, we're busy. Yeah. That was my strategy. Right. So like the New York Times would come in and I'd be like, I'm really busy right now. Right. That's not a good strategy. Right. Yeah. I'm still involved in product, but my job isn't to like pixel critic the service. It's hopefully to ask the right questions and get the teams to come up with better ideas. That's actually, I think, a hard transition for a lot of founders to make, but I think it's a really important one. At some point, you have to not let go of the product, but have faith that the people you've hired, because they have great judgment and because they're talented, they're going to execute better, but your job is to sort of unify that into a singular product vision.